Hi, what's going on, guys? This is Aaron Linson with Linson Productions. We're going to start another video right now. So here's my issue with drones for the blind and why I think there could be some improvements. If you have a GPS signal and you tell the drone to come back and loses that GPS signal, there's no way you'd be able to find it if you have low vision. And also, too, the contrast is very, very hard to see it. I mean, especially the really, really, really small ones. And while I would personally like to try one and see how this would work as an experiment, I just don't think I want to spend the money or the time to try and figure it out when I know it probably won't even work. What I think they could do, these drone makers and developers, is put some sort of a guidance system for low vision people so that they can understand where a drone is. Maybe through VR or augmented reality or something like that, so it could help. The device could help in filming whatever they wanted to, but it could also be inclusive for other people as well, not just for people who can use them. So what do you think of this video? What do you think of my my thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on drones and the visually impaired? Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.